With any luck, this will work. Oh, it's not the right size. Now let's go strip it. Yeah, not smart. Alright, so we can't find Tay Renee's lug nut remover tool. So I found a socket that fits on there a little bit, enough I think. We're going to change the brake pads on the rear side. I'm going to need a pipe for leverage, and I should be able to remove it. Let's give it a shot. Loosen these up before I jack it up. Alright, the emergency brake is on. No, I'm good, love. Alright. Tire off. Now, we gotta get those bolts off. We're gonna use a 14mm. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Once you break that seal, you can hand turn them out pretty easy. Here's one. Caliper should just come off, and it does. Alright, there's our old brake pads. So sometimes it helps to get a screwdriver to get these out. You don't want to damage the rotor, of course, but it doesn't take much pressure to get them out. Probably a good idea to add some grease to this, although I don't know if it's necessary or not. Here's your old pad, not the worst I've seen, but definitely time to get replaced. Alright, so I noticed these are on a little tight, and they don't seem to, you know, naturally go snap into the rotor. Kind of feel like you got to really force them in there, so I want to add some grease to the ends of the brake pads. And I just got some bearing grease. I'm just gonna kind of feel my way there. Alright, now I'm happy. So, it'd be best to have a rag. I don't have a rag, so whatever. So we'll put that in there. And of course, you always gotta fiddle with it a bit. And that feels a lot better, actually. Do the same with this one. Grease in there. It doesn't take a lot. Step is to get that caliper or plunger, whatever you want to call it, down. So being very careful of the line, which is really hard to do. You're going to use an old brake pad. And you're going to put this and see if you can do this with one hand. Oh. You can do it with one hand, folks. It's just not easy. And I will prove that. Alright. Oh. Alright. Once you get it on there, bring it all the way down flat. Otherwise, with the new brake pads, with the thickness of the new brake pads, you won't be able to fit it over there. That's it. It's like that, folks. New bolts go in place. You're gonna hand tighten them, get them started. That one's on there. All right, so on Renee's Toyota Camry 2004 4-cylinder, we bought Duralast Gold because they have a lifetime guarantee. Now what that means is, and speaking from experience, my own Ford Ranger, is that you can take these back 2 or 3 years later and they will give you a brand new pair to replace these for no money at all. And you can do that for as long as you own the car. And they're good brake pads, what can I tell you?